Hi guys, today we gonna learn class 10th English poem number 1, The Dust of Snow. This is very easiest poem, but you need to understand very clearly. So come with me very closely. So first of all, I would like to read for you. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. It has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So, Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. You know very well about the author. Author writes short and simple lines, but it has a deep meanings and all. So, at the same way here also, very simple lines, but it has a deep meanings. So, the way a crow shook, see, lot of time what happens, poet and all takes beautiful birds like peacock, then sparrow, bulbul, like that and all, very beautiful parrots and all they take. But here comes a crow. So crow doesn't give good symbol, you know very well, no? When it is very black and doesn't give full good symbol, then also when there is cry of crows and all, they say that it's something bad gonna happen, etc., etc. So here also he takes crow, see. Then the crow shook down on me, the part dust means here particles. Then from a hemlock tree you may be getting in the book itself, hemlock tree is a poisonous plant with a small white flowers. That is certain, no? Then after you see, when we read this poem or this paragraph, what do you understand? So this is crow, symbol of bad. Then after dust of snow from a hemlock tree. These and all shows the poet was depressed. The poet was depressed. Then after what happens? And hopeless, sorrow, and he lost in his thoughts. Then while that moment, suddenly a crow shook some particle of snow. So जब ये poet है वो क्या कर रहा था, बहुत दुख में ही था, हेल्पलेस था, होपलेस था, उस टाइम पे क्या हो गया, एक क्रो ने क्या कर दिया, जब इन्होंने हेमलॉक ट्री के नीचे खड़ा था उस टाइम पे क्या कर दिया है, कुछ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ डस्ट स्नो, सो वो इसके हाथ में गिरने लगी, उसके ऊपर गिरने लग गया. जब ये गिरा था उस टाइम पे क्या हो गया, उनका मूड चेंज हो गया. देखो, has given my heart a change of mood. Mood here, state of mind. The state of mind अभी क्या हो गया, change हो गया. And saved some part of a day that I had rued. Rued means here regret, held in regret. So पछतावा करने का कुछ चीज़ था, मतलब वो कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने क्या कर रहा था, दबा हुआ था, वहाँ से क्या हो गया, सेव हो गया. देखो यहाँ पे जब यहाँ से गिरा था, सो उस टाइम क्या हो गया, उनका माइंड से क्या हो गया, चेंज आने लग गया. को पहले कौन सी इसमें था, डिप्रेशन में ही था, होपलेस में ही था, सारो में ही था. अभी क्या हो गया, जो पार्टिकल्स उनके ऊपर गिरा है वो क्या हो गया है, फुल्ली चेंज हो गया है. देन ये स्मॉल इंसिडेंट है, ये तो बहुत बड़ा इंसिडेंट नहीं, दिस it was a very small incident, but even though it has changed the mood to happy. The happiness had saved the rest of his life. So from there onwards, his happiness being saved. From there, he could live a life of happy. So you need to understand fully. You need to understand fully that this whole thing, a simple 8-line poem, if you read line by, it will be within 3 lines it will finish. See, the way the crow shook on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, comma, that has given my heart a change of mood and saved the rest of my days. That's all, that I had been in regret. That's all. When you read this poem, very easily I would like to read once again for you. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, that has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day that I had rued. That's all this, all the points says of. So read like that and just read these lines also. First paragraph, I summarized the lines with this. Then second paragraph also I summarized. So when you read this, you will be easily understand these are the points. Then rhyming scheme what? Crow, A, me, B, snow, A, tree, B. So rhyming scheme is what? A, B, A, B. This is rhyming scheme. Then question may be coming from this chapter that why the poet have selected crow, hemlock tree. If the poets and all selects what they select good trees like a oak tree, then teak tree and palm tree and all. But here they take poisonous tree. Why? Because it shows the state of mind that the poet is under the depression, hopeless, and under the stress and all, the state of mind it says. Then from there also he can get deliverance. That is the main point. Are you understanding or not? वो crow से भी bad symbol है, ये भी bad symbol है. Bad symbol है बोल के हमेशा bad नहीं होता है. स्मॉल इंसिडेंट भी क्या कर सकता है, वो रेस्ट ऑफ लाइफ को क्या कर सकता है, सेव कर सकता है. वो ये पोएम says of. So you read this poem again and again and understand this content. You will be easy to understand when you read 2-3 times. That's all this poem talks of. The notes and all I will give you in a Word format or PDF file. Thank you.